So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Bobby Chatterjee with you guys, and today I'm going to share this beautiful bridal makeup with you, how you can do self bridal makeup on your wedding day and make it special. So let's get started with the tutorial, but you need to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment first, and also do follow me on my Instagram for some more updates. So yeah, if you want to book me for your wedding dates or your party makeovers, then you can contact me on my email ID, or you can directly contact me on my Instagram. So first I will be prepping my skin, and for that I will be using a lip balm. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Lips. Then to tone down my skin, I'm using the Witch Hazel toner, and next I'm using this serum. This serum is by Good Vibes Plus. So whenever you're doing your own bridal makeup or you are doing it on somebody, you need to moisturize your skin nicely. So for my under eyes, I am going to use the Scent Botanica pomegranate under eye cream, and for my face I'm going to use the Dot and Key day smoothie cream moisturizer. It has an SPF of 20, so if you are getting married in like in the daytime, then you can definitely use this. Then I'm going to fill into my brows using the Pack eyebrow cream. It's in the shade 03. You can choose whatever shade you like, and I'm just filling it in. Like, I am outlining my brows first and then filling it in with the same brush. Then I want a dewy effect on my skin, so I am using the Swiss Beauty illuminating primer. This is in the shade golden tint, I believe 02. So I want that beautiful bright glow on my skin, so that's the reason I used it. So over here I have already shaped my brows with a white concealer, and then I'm using the NYX eye primer as my eye makeup base and blending that with a brush. So over here, as like it's winter time, you want your skin to look dewy, so you can use any illuminating primer. Next I'm using the Makeup Revolution Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take these two warm tone shades from the palette, which is one orange and brown, mix it together and blend it on like almost on the outer half of my crease. So I'm concentrating the colors more towards my crease and then taking it inwards. Then I took this deeper brown shade and applied that on the outer V. Next I'm using the You Can Be Splashy Candies palette, and I took this beautiful silverish kind of pinky shade and applied that on my lid. Next I'm going to use the Maybelline gel liner, and I'm going to draw a winged liner on my eyes, a simple winged liner, and then I'm going to smudge it out with some black and deep brown eyeshadow. I'm going to smudge the liner only. So I'm just smudging the outer portion of the liner, and using a more fluffier brush I'm using a little darker brown shadow and blending it to the other colors in my crease. Then I'm going to use the Midnight Sparkle palette by Swiss Beauty. This one is in the shade 02 or 04. Details will be mentioned in the description box. I'm going to apply that on my lid. Next I'm going to apply the Maybelline Master Prime primer only on my T-zone and wherever my possible pores are, and also a little bit on my smile lines because I do have heavy smile lines. Next I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Orange Corrector on my under eyes. So on your bridal day you want to look very flawless. So I have a little bit of darkness, but if I'm doing a regular makeup I don't need an orange corrector, but you definitely want to look more flawless on your bridal day. Then I'm using one shade darker concealer to my like of my skin tone. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Latte, and I'm going to cover up my acne scars. You can also use a green corrector, but I wanted to use this. Whenever you want to cover up something, you can use like a concealer which is around 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin tone to hide any kind of pigmentation or any kind of acne scars and blend it out. Then I'm going to set all the orange orange color corrector with some Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade 15. So I'm setting it with a loose powder so it doesn't mix in with a foundation. Then for my foundation I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 310 and 112. So I'm mixing these both foundations and applying that to my face. I'm mixing these both because right now like 310 is my summer shade, but right now it's very dark for me. Next I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris concealer. This is the Infallible concealer. This one is in the shade 317. It's very full coverage, you guys. It's a perfect concealer for your bridal makeup if you are a bride to be, or if you are going to attend any parties or anything like that, you're a makeup lover, you should definitely invest on this. A review video on this particular concealer will also be soon up on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Next, I'm blending it in with a brush. You can definitely go ahead and blend in your base with the beauty blender, but I prefer brushes as it gives you more coverage and more precision. So I'm using the same loose powder and dusting it under my eyes. Next, I use the Wet n Wild contour like concealer in the shade, I don't remember, I guess it's the darkest shade which is available, and then I applied that on my contour places, and I'm just blending that in nicely with my foundation. Next, I'm going to blend in my nose contour with the same concealer brush which I used prior to blend in my concealer, and I'm just gonna blend it in nicely. Next, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty's blush and highlight palette. This one is the shades number 04. I'm using the contour shade to contour my cheekbones and my nose. I'm going to make my nose look teeny tiny, and then I'm going to smudge smoke out my lower lash line with the same same shades which I used on my crease. I'm using this flat shader kind of brush, and then I'm going to tight line my lower lash line with some white liner. This white liner is by Maybelline and it's in the shade White Luster. So I'm going to extend my inner corners, and for that I'm using the Colorfeel Beauty sketch liner and extending my eyes, like not exactly my eyes, I'm just extending the liner towards my inner corner. Then for mascara, I'm going to take the Maybelline Push Up Drama mascara, and I'm going to curl up my lashes with that. This is an amazing mascara, you guys. I'm literally obsessed with this. I already have like 4 to 5 bottles of this mascara, so you know how obsessed I am. So you can definitely invest it, you should at least try once. Next, for blush, I'm going to use the Sephora color blush in the shade Coral Orange. This is a very beautiful blush for brides and even for your natural makeup. Next, I'm using the Swiss Beauty's palette, like same palette. I'm using this highlighter shade from the palette, and I'm applying that on my highlighting points. I'm applying that on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and Cupid's pearl, chin, inner corners, and brow bone. Next, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Hot Nude. This is a very beautiful nude shade. I just love this shade. If you're around NC42, NC40 or lighter than that, this is going to suit you. And lastly, I'm going to use a makeup fixer on my face. I dabbed on a little bit of highlighter on my lips to make it look like a little bit glossy. And then I'm using over here Kalilis Beauty eyelashes, and I'm just going to stick them on my lash line. And yeah, here is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know how you guys liked it. I absolutely loved it. And yeah, do follow me on Instagram because I do post really all updates over there. And yeah, you can book me for your bridal makeovers.